Hello everyone, today we are gonna solve minimum cost to connect all points problem. So this is a very interesting graph problem. In this problem, we are given a coordinates of 2D plane and we are given a some condition that to connect 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, the cost of connecting them will be x1 minus x2 plus y1 minus y2 and the absolute difference. So we have to connect all the points such that their cost will be minimum. So how we are gonna solve this problem? So this is a graph problem, and to be honest, this is a minimum spanning tree problem. So you have to understand basic knowledge of what is minimum spanning tree. So spanning tree is very simple. Like if we have a some graph, okay, if we have some graphs which have some edges or vertices, so we need a tree which have n nodes and n minus 1 edges such that from one point we can move to any other point of that tree. Okay, so this is a spanning tree, but what is the minimum spanning tree? So basically we have a in weighted graph, we have a weight from moving from one point to another point. We have some weighted edge, so we have to find the minimum spanning tree. So from moving connecting all points and summing all the weighted edges, our cost should be minimum. That is our minimum spanning tree. So let's how we are gonna solve this MST problem. So we have basically two algorithm to solve our MST. First is our Prim's algorithm and second is Kruskal algorithm. Okay. So I hope you know this, but if you do not know this, I can give you a brief about both of them. So in Prim's algorithm, we first select any edge in any vertices, and after selecting any vertices, we connect these vertices. These vertices have their neighbor vertices. Neighbor vertices. We connect is to which neighbor vertices which have the minimum edge weight. Okay, so let's say I have this 1, 2, 3, and this is right now is connected to this. Okay, and this is 2, 3, and this is 4. So what I will do, I will connect this to 0 and 1. Okay, I will connect this, and now let's say if my 2 is connected to 4, this is 5 and this is 3. Okay, and 1 is connected to 3 and 1 is connected to 2 and this is 2 and this is 1. Okay, so what I am gonna do right now is, so I have connected, I will not remove actually, I will just mark it like this is connected. Okay, I will just mark this is connected. So now I have a 0 and 1 in my MST, 0 and 1 in my MST. So what I am gonna do is, I will check which is the minimum edge right now is. Right now minimum edge is this one. So I will connect this. I will mark this. Okay, so we have right now our 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1 and 3. These vertices are in present. 0, 1 and 3 are present in MST. So now we see the minimum edge is connected to this. So 0 is connected to, and let's say this is our 4. Okay, so 0 is connected to 1 and 1 is connected to 2. This is our minimum one. Okay, this is our minimum one. So 0 to 2, let's say this is our 6. So 0 to 2 is minimum, so we connect this as well, and then our MST is included 2 as well. Now we have only 1. So how we are gonna connect this? So we see the minimum one. So if I connect right now, minimum one will be this 3. But if I connect 2 and 3, so it will form a cycle. So we are not gonna select this one. Okay. Now the 4. If I connect 0 and 3, then it again form a cycle. So I am not gonna for this. If I connect, so the minimum one will be 5. So I will connect this 3. So this will be my minimum subtree, minimum spanning tree. So what will be our cost? The cost will be 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5, that is our 10. And you can check, there are 1 2 3 4 5 five nodes, and how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I can remove this one. So there are 4, and you can go from any node to any node. If I have to go to 0 to 4, so I can go 0 to 1, 1 to 3, and 3 to 4. If I have to go 0 to 2, so I can go 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. And there is exactly one path between any 2 points. I have only one path to 0 to 3. There is no other path. So this is what MHT is. This is our Prim's algorithm, and we are gonna implement this Prim's algorithm here. So first of all, how we are gonna implement this? First of all, we'll select all this point. We will mark all this point, and then after connecting all these points, we will find this graph. Okay, we will find this MHT and calculate this. After creating our MHT, we have to just add this all edge weight, and our answer will be done. So let's see the course to understand it. So this is our solution. So what we are doing right now is we first of all calculate how many vertices we have, what will be our result, and let's we assume start with our first node, that is 0, and then we are checking that how many vertices are present in MHT. We are using this VGTH to check to detect cycle in our MHT. We are using this priority queue to find the minimum edge weight at the top. Okay, so we are using this min heap. Now how we are doing is, first of all, we initialize, we use any random word, any random vertices, we choose 0 and mark it as true. Okay, and after that we will add all the edges in our priority queue, and which is the minimum one, which vertices have the minimum weight, we will connect to them. Okay, and add this our result. Let's say if this is 4, so I will add our result to 4, and then I will after doing this, we will calculate this. Okay, so we will find all these minimum edges. After finding all the minimum edges, we find our MHT. We will sum all this. We will find sum of all edges, and our answer will be there, and we will return this answer. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. If you not understand this problem, let me know in the comment section. You can check the source code and the article in the description. Thanks for watching.